Click on the link below to get price. The Fujifilm X-H2 mirrorless digital camera, paired with the XF16-80mm Lens Kit, offers an impressive blend of advanced technology and user-friendly features, making it an ideal tool for both professional photographers and enthusiastic hobbyists. This renewed model maintains the high-quality build and performance expected from Fujifilm, presenting an excellent opportunity for those looking to invest in a reliable camera without breaking the bank. One of the standout features of the X-H2 is its 40MP APS-C sensor. This high resolution enables photographers to capture stunning detail, whether shooting landscapes, portraits, or action shots. The camera's impressive dynamic range ensures that even challenging lighting conditions can be managed effectively, resulting in images with rich colors and deep shadows. The inclusion of the XF16-80mm lens further enhances versatility, offering a wide focal length range that is perfect for various shooting scenarios, from sweeping vistas to intimate close-ups. The camera's autofocus system is another notable aspect, featuring phase detection points that allow for quick and accurate focusing. This is particularly beneficial for capturing fast-moving subjects, making it an excellent choice for sports or wildlife photography. Additionally, the X-H2 supports 4K video recording, delivering professional quality footage with the option for high frame rates, making it suitable for videographers seeking to create cinematic content. The user interface is intuitive, with customizable controls that allow for a customizable shooting experience. The robust build quality, weather-sealed body, and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to hold during extended shooting sessions. Being a renewed product, it offers significant savings while still delivering exceptional performance and quality. In summary, the Fujifilm X-H2 mirrorless digital camera with the XF16-80mm Lens Kit is a compelling choice for anyone serious about photography. Its combination of resolution, versatility, and user-friendly features make it a valuable investment for capturing life's moments with stunning clarity and vibrancy.